Hi everyone, this is Tom. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my customer support chat application, showcasing 4 unique implementations, each built with a different cutting-edge UI technology: Angular, React, Solid.js, and Blazor. Each has the ability to send a chat message to my customer support chat network that's implemented and deployed in Azure, running ASP.NET Core Web API, WebSocket protocol, which aids in message notifications from Azure Web PubSub. Let's look at the UI technology. Angular supports TypeScript, it has custom templating syntax, supports two-way data binding and dependency injection, and is a service-based architecture for scalable app design. It is great for large applications. Blazor supports C Sharp. It has custom templating consisting of Razor syntax, which is a mix of HTML and C Sharp. You have a choice of server-side rendering or WebAssembly. Basically a full-stack application in C Sharp. React is the most popular UI technology, with TypeScript and JavaScript support and JSX. Great reactivity via hooks and uses a virtual DOM. Did I mention it's widely adopted? And last but not least, Solid.js. It's relatively new, but similar to React. It supports TypeScript and JavaScript and also uses JSX. It uses create signal and create effect to manage reactivity. It has an ultra fast and very granular reactivity model. Well, let's look at the demo. Here are the 3 instances of the customer chat application. I have the Angular version, the React version, and Solid.js version. All 3 of these instances subscribe to Azure Web PubSub notifications to the same message hub. Each app consists of a header and 2 components, one to subscribe to notifications and display messages, and another to send messages. I'll send a message to a user named Tom from each of these instances, and we'll observe each instance receives that message and re-renders it using its reactive technology. Visually, it looks identical. Here's my Blazor instance. It's running as a customer named Tom. I don't have message history implemented, and it just subscribed to the notifications. Thus, it doesn't show the earlier messages. When I send a message, every application gets it, and sending a message from the Angular version gets broadcasted even to my Blazor instance. Here's my customer representative UI implementation in Blazor. A representative named Rick will join Tom's chat. And this implementation actually downloads all previous messages. I have more detailed explanation about it in my other video. Now I'll start a new customer instance for a customer named John and send a message. My Angular, React, and Solid.js implementations actually intercept all messages sent from a customer. However, my customer representative UI does not get that message. It was just an implementation choice for this demo. So what technology should you use? It really comes down to your requirements and what your application needs to do. For Angular, if you're working with an existing large application, the framework's well-defined structure makes it easier to understand and onboard quickly, particularly in terms of organization and architecture. While the structured approach helps with orientation, developers will still need to get familiar with Angular-specific syntax, concepts, and core principles to work effectively within the framework. React is the most popular UI framework, known for its flexibility and adaptability across various application types. However, this flexibility means implementations can vary significantly between organizations, which can make onboarding challenging as each project may be structured differently. Despite this, React excels in building SPAs that require high reactivity and responsiveness, making it a powerful choice for creating dynamic, interactive user experiences. Blazor is an excellent choice for C# developers who prefer to avoid JavaScript, allowing them to build interactive web applications using C# for both client and server logic. It's particularly well suited for data-driven applications that don't require extensive state management, providing a seamless .NET integrated experience with strong support for component-based architecture and server-side rendering when needed. Solid.js, though relatively new, is designed specifically for high-performance applications. Its React-like syntax makes it easy for React developers to transition seamlessly, yet it offers distinct advantages: no virtual DOM and no dependency array management. This allows Solid.js to achieve fine-grained reactivity and highly optimized updates, making it ideal for applications that require maximum speed and efficiency. Create Effect in Solid.js simplifies reactivity by automatically tracking dependencies, making it far more intuitive and less verbose than React's useEffect. This streamlined approach not only hides complex details but also speeds up development, reduces potential bugs, and enhances readability. Surprisingly, many haven't yet discovered the secret advantage, but to me, it clearly lowers the total cost of ownership for your team. And who wouldn't appreciate that? If I'm starting a new project, I'd evaluate other frameworks instead of defaulting to React. I think Angular is a great choice for maintainability for complex data-rich enterprise applications. Solid.js is the technology that overshadows React in today's world. It simplifies reactivity management. And if you need a high-performing SPA, Solid.js will not let you down. Blazor is a good choice mainly for data-driven applications, especially if you want SSR. It's definitely a winner if you only have a .NET team. ASP.NET MVC, a solid choice if you're seeking a server-side rendering solution outside the SPA model. ASP.NET MVC remains a reliable, robust framework, especially for .NET C# teams, focused on building data-driven applications with secure backend integration. While some JavaScript may be needed for interactivity, ASP.NET MVC shines in scenarios where server-side processing is prioritized, making it a strong contender for teams looking to leverage their existing .NET expertise without committing to a full-fledged JavaScript framework. Thanks for watching.